What is going on, you guys? I hope you're all having an embraceful day. Today I finally got my bumper back from the body shop from doing all the body work. It's not 100% completely done, but they did get most of the areas that I wanted done. So this is kind of what it looks like. You'll still see like they put like a plaster. I don't know what it's called, like term-wise or whatnot, but it's still like up high, but that they did that on purpose. So I just go back and just sand that down. So there's still little bit right there and you can sand it down, but the most work that was all this right here this was mainly the only part that I wanted to get done was all this. We'll probably put the bumper covers on right now, drill the holes that are needed in order to get the bumper covers on. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I also got a package which I don't remember buying anything. Like, I haven't bought anything recently, so I don't know what it could be. So we're gonna be opening that right now. I got it yesterday, but I didn't want to open it yet. I want to open it on camera with you guys, so let's see what it is, because I honestly don't know what it is. No way. No way. I know what this is now. I know what this is. Let me take you guys off the tripod. No way. I completely forgot about this. I freaking ordered this a long time ago. So I'm checking my email right now. I ordered this package on 9/27/2017, which is September of last year. It's been a while. It's definitely been a while. It's been over almost at least 4 months. It's almost getting to that 4-month mark. It's also another 2 parts that are not even meant for my car that we're gonna make it fit. Kind of don't want to make a mess because I'm gonna have to pick this up, and especially since it's windy, all these darn peanuts are gonna be flying out. I'm gonna do my best just to take these out. Come on, peanuts, don't fly. It says it right here. These 2 parts are from an RX8 and it's from Gretty, so you know it's gonna be something special. So this is the first pieces right here. These, I believe, appear to be from the front. These are going to be in the front. I'll show you guys more right now, but let's get the other one open. And these are huge. And I believe these are for the back. So like I mentioned, these 2 pieces are Areo pieces. These are for the front. These are for the side. These are canards, whatever you guys want to call them. These are the side canards, these are the front canards, kind of to give you a perspective on how they look. These are from the RX8. I ordered these when they first came out, when they were available on the Gretty site. As you guys can tell, this is what it's supposed to look like right there. These side pieces right there, the front pieces right there, and the side pieces right there. It all ties in together. It's all gonna tie in together. It's crazy to think, you know, I'm gonna have front bumper canards, I'm gonna have the front side canards, I'm gonna have the rear side canards, and I'm gonna have some rear end canards. It's gonna look so sick. I know it might not, it's not everybody's taste, not everyone's gonna like it, but personally that's something that I've always wanted to do, have a car with full canard accessories. So it's gonna look sick in my opinion. That's all that matters. So I'm gonna get these bumper covers mounted onto the front bumper, and we're gonna take off from there. So I got the bumper covers mounted on both sides as well as the bumper. This one I mounted the canard as well. Still needs adjusting a little bit. As you guys can tell right here, it has this lip. I think if I'm able to sand it down up to here, I'll be able to clear the space perfectly. As you guys can tell, there's not that much gap that's in between there. There's a little bit. I just need to sand this piece down and it might fit perfect. But I mean, it's gonna look super mean with that canard. And then while I'm missing the lip is gonna attach to here. Well, I mean, it's gonna be the lip and then the splitter. This is gonna attach to the splitter, this piece right here. And to kind of give you guys a perspective of where this canard goes, it's a side one that's gonna go right here. And this edge right here fits perfectly right here. Look how nice it meets right there. So it's gonna be somewhere along the lines right there, and it's gonna mount on the side of the lip. I think this one's gonna mount to the lip, so it's gonna look super sick, super sleek. It's gonna look freaking awesome. So to kind of give you a perspective, it's not gonna look angled like that. It's only angled because of how I clamped it right here. It's gonna be a lot more straight. So it's gonna be like dead on straight. So it's gonna look pretty sick from there, this angle, and it's gonna look pretty sick from this angle on the side. So it's the next day and a lot of time has gone by, but the last thing I want to do today is just basically just mount the lip onto here. That way I know that these side pieces are gonna fit perfectly with the lip. I got the lip put on, as you guys can tell, and I didn't really use that much hardware. It was a lot harder to use these bigger washers on the other side, which I'll show you guys right now once I lay this flat, and it was kind of hard to put them right here as well, so I had to put smaller washers, as you guys can tell, on these small little holes since it is a little bit indented. But I just ended up using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws in total hold this lip onto this bumper. I might be putting some more, maybe somewhere around here, same thing somewhere around here, and maybe a little bit more, but just for now I just needed to hold. Damn, this lip looks insane on the TC. Makes it look so much like longer. Looks pretty sick, pretty badass. As you guys can tell, I mean, there's some airflow that's gonna go through there. Some airflow. But I mean, look at how perfect it fits all the way around. Look at that, even with the bumper covers on there on both sides. Look at that, so perfect. On the back, it looks perfectly even. Look at that, all the way right here extends a little bit out. Right here extends a little bit out as well, which isn't a problem. I don't think I need to trim it down since it does have like a slant kind of curve. It kind of like follows this curve right here and it goes down, which I love about it. Good thing I chose the NIA lip. Just if you guys are curious, if you guys are new to the channel, this lip is from a Scion TC2. It's not meant for my car because I know they do sell some that are meant for my car, the TC1, but this is from a TC2 which I cut up and I made it fit the TC1. If you're curious to see how I came about cutting the lip, I'll put a card annotation on the top right corner so you guys can go check out that video, and maybe you guys might want to do this your guys' self. I mean, you never know, maybe you want to adapt a different lip onto your car. Anything's possible, anything's possible. If you give it the time, you can do it. But I mean, damn, that looks so sick, so sick. So that's where I'm gonna end today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We got the bumper back from the body shop and it's fully primered and it's a little bit sanding here and there. We also got the new canards that are right here. They're gonna go on the side, they're gonna match the canards. Let me know what you guys think about those. Do you guys like them? Do you guys hate them? Am I putting too much air on the car? Personally, I love it. I love how the car is gonna look. It's gonna turn out pretty sick. But let me know what you guys' thoughts are. We got the lip mounted. I mean, a lot of good progress done. The Rocket Bunny kit, it's almost going to be near completion. The only thing left that's going to have to be done is going to be paint, which is going to have to wait a while as well. But nonetheless, the process is going to keep continuing. It's going to keep advancing, and I'm super proud of how far this build has come. So I want to thank you guys so much for supporting this project, guys, this build, and all the videos that I put out. Thank you guys so much. I really, truly appreciate it. So that's where I'm going to end today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, and embrace yourself. If you guys stayed to the end of the video, you guys are true OGs, and I want to show you guys what the car is going to be looking like with the canards on. Look how freaking sick that looks. It's like if it's meant to be. Like, it fits perfectly. Like right there, it's already touching the floor. Needs a little bit of modification right here, but I mean, look at this one's just standing up straight itself, and it matches perfectly right there. Like, come on, it's meant for the car. It's meant to be. So I hope you guys are stoked for the build, guys. It's gonna look so sick, so sick.